Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Sunday Evening Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is video number 2495, coming at you on Sunday afternoon to help us, hopefully, trade profitably on Sunday through Monday, June 26, 2023. We talk about trading profitably, but please put your stops in and put them in first. We never know what's going to happen without a stop. It could be the last time you ever trade. It's a very dangerous game. Put those stops in first, okay? Let's talk about markets. Dow Jones Industrial Average, traders, not good since it broke back down through what used to be resistance. Green line. Stops it, gets above it finally, supposed to be support now when it hits it again, but instead it breaks down, goes back up, hits the line from underneath, and drops further. Not good. That's that. Not good. And OMNI remains red for trading on Sunday night through Monday. So we are going to look at taking a short position in NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, one of the three. I think Russell looks absolutely terrible compared to the other markets, so maybe that's the one we'll get filled in on the short side. So here is your Dow Jones Industrial Average, the bigger view of the market for trading on Sunday through Monday. And then there is this. Let's see, where am I at? Let me show you another chart. The NASDAQ. If you recall, 4 or 5 days ago, I showed you that we were just about approaching a double top right after the holiday, and we would have to pause. Let's see what's going to happen. Since then, you can see there's been a reaction from that double top. Market has come down. Double top was over 15, it was 15,307, 15,311-ish, and it's dropped down to somewhere near 14,969. So you've had a decent 350-point drop somewhere around there from the high to the low, and that's a reaction. Now, it looks like it may continue to react again on Sunday night through Monday towards the downside. OMNI is red. OMNI wants us to sell rallies. Of course, I always respect whatever OMNI wants me to do is where we go. So OMNI says sell the rallies. We will do that. You've seen these two charts. It's a very good reason technically to think OMNI's correct for selling the rallies. I will be doing that in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. This is basically a chat room. It is where I live and breathe, and it is absolutely free to you. No credit cards are required. Just come to livewithoscar.com, create a username, password, wait for an email. The email may go to spam. Check your spam. And then click the email and come on back and join me in my live trading room. Again, it's a live chat room. It's just a place to hang out where we trade 24 hours a day. And I share a lot of my knowledge, and also I'll post trades in there as well. So make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Keep sending in your OmniCamp applications. I'll contact you then. Last but not least, can you say Russian coup? You see what's going on there? There's rumor that Vladimir Putin blew up some of his own mercenaries, and now those mercenaries were marching towards Moscow, and then Putin got in a plane, and rumors were that it disappeared. Whatever the rumors are, that sure does sound like a Russian coup, doesn't it? Markets are going to be insane tomorrow if that's the case. And we don't know with all this AI nonsense and fake news. I don't know what's real. Just repeating some of the crap I thought I spotted today when I was going over some of the research. In any event, I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Put your stops in case the volatility goes crazy, and I will see you there. Remember, kids, 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.